What promoted BOA to launch its own distribution network in Australia?
It was simple. It was always our dream, but then it became abundantly clear this is what our customers needed. They needed better stock availability, faster delivery, and better pricing, and this simply answered those three questions.
What are these new distribution centres and how will they operate in Australia?
These distribution centres are fully BOA owned and operated. We'll be setting up our main DCs on the east and on the west. So our first one being our main head office in New South Wales, Sydney. This will support our customers on the east. We're looking at setting up strategically placed regional stocking locations across Queensland and Victoria also. And then in the west, our main DC will be located in Perth to support our Western Australian customers.
How does this move benefit existing and new customers?
I think it's very simple. So the first one is faster delivery. With our own DC strategically located, it allows us to get our products a lot quicker out to the customers. Our second point is around more competitive pricing. With operations now across New Zealand, Australia, Africa and in the US, we're combining our access to global suppliers and bring it right to Australia so we can pass on those savings directly to our customers. And thirdly is better stock availability. With our own DCs, this allows us to manage exactly what products we need on hand that our customers require.
Will BOA continue to carry major brands as part of this shift?
100% BOA will be bringing two main brands to Australia. This is Yokohama, a well-renowned brand, an OEM brand that has been manufacturing for over 100 years. So we'll be bringing the full matched and certified program to Australia. This will also be backed up by our own brand, which is Silflo. This is a world-class brand that we've been running across New Zealand and other parts of the world for over 10 years, and this will be backed up with our full in-house testing capabilities with a full matched and certified system.
How is BOA supporting this expansion operationally?
Well, immediately we'll be doubling, if not tripling, our team on the ground. From dispatch to technical support, we'll be bringing everything a lot closer to the customer.
What role does technology play in this rollout?
Technology is a big part of BOA and we invest heavily in it. We believe it separates the good from the great. We've heavily invested in the BOA Hub software. This really acts as the middleman between ourselves and the customer, collecting key data to ensure we can provide our customers with everything they need, but it also allows our customers to take back control from visibility of their stock to managing their assets or their customers' assets and then the full running of their business.